Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Hulkman Jump Starter 8.5. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and all electronic accessories are unplugged. Next, securely attach the red clamp to your car battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. Before proceeding, confirm your Hulkman Jump Starter has at least 50% charge for the best results. Once the clamps are securely connected and the jump starter is powered on, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn the ignition within 30 seconds. If your engine doesn't immediately turn over, wait a full 60 seconds before attempting another start. Remember, to protect both your vehicle and the jump starter, do not try more than 3 consecutive jump starts. After your vehicle successfully starts, it's crucial to disconnect the jump starter in the correct order. First, carefully remove the black, negative clamp from your car battery. Then, proceed to disconnect the red, positive clamp. Finally, power off your Hulkman Jump Starter. Always store your device in a cool, dry environment to maintain its longevity and readiness for future use. To ensure your Hulkman Jump Starter is always ready, recharge it fully after every use. For long-term storage, keep it charged above 50%. If unused for extended periods, check its charge level every 3 months. This model, the 8.5, is designed for gasoline engines up to 8.5 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters, offering versatile power when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.